Hi everyone. For this assignment, I want you to think about creating a one-page document that outlines your professional philosophy of sport. Please know that the term professional is being used to mean a philosophy you would or could share with others through the job search process or use as a personal reminder throughout your career to help keep you focused. Since this is something that you could share with other people in the sports industry, I encourage you to keep the philosophy focused on something you could professionally share. Topics can include, but are not limited to, the value of your profession, your style of leadership, the application of best practices, ethical behavior, your professional values, developing professional relationships, and or serving as a role model. Some topics to avoid in a general professional philosophy are things such as religion, gender, disability, age, etc. I say this because these are things that are perceived differently by everyone, and unless part of the job focus, such as applying to a religious-based institution, it is best to leave these out of a professional philosophy and focus on the specific segments of the industry you choose. Over the years, when completing applications, I have often been asked to provide my philosophy of coaching or teaching, just depending on the point in my career. Having a one-page document that I can refer to helps me to bring my thoughts together and provide a response for the section of the application. Sometimes I even had to shorten my philosophy to meet the application specifications or word limits. Also, since I'm still kind of old school when it comes to interviews, I still take with me a hard copy of my portfolio, which looks something like this. Okay. In the portfolio, I have my resume, my references, my philosophy of teaching at this point, and work examples. So for example, here is my one-page philosophy of teaching. Okay. I can recall in interviews a potential employer asking to review my philosophy of teaching or coaching and asking a few questions or two. So having an actual copy for them to review was very nice, as well as something that I could refer to throughout the process. And then throughout my portfolio, I have different, let's see, I should go this way, different work examples. Okay. I hope you find this assignment useful, and if you have any questions, please let me know.